Namaskaram everyone. I hope you all had a great Mahashivratri celebrations last night. We were watching Sadhguru's live video and we were able to bring Isha into our own homes this year. We were not able to be physically present in the Isha Yoga Center along with Sadhguru, but still the energy was so high, the songs were very good and we really enjoyed. So today, to break our fast, we have made a green veg masala. We have used lots of spinach and some spices and lots of vegetables, and we have made this green veg masala to go along with chapati or naan. So now let's get into the video and see how we have made this green veg masala. First, let's heat a pan and dry roast few of the spices. We have taken 2 bay leaves, a tablespoon of desiccated coconut powder, black cardamom, a tablespoon of fennel seeds, 2 to 3 green cardamoms, a teaspoon of poppy seeds, a tablespoon of fennel seeds, 10 to 15 cashew nuts, and some peppercorns. So we will be dry roasting all of these spices for a minute or two. Be careful that you don't burn any of these spices. Once the spices are roasted well, let's grind them in a mixie jar. Meanwhile, let's heat a pan with a cup of water and add 250 grams of cleaned spinach leaves. And in another pan, let us boil some vegetables like potatoes, green peas, capsicum, green beans and carrots. So we have to cook all these vegetables for 5 minutes and we need to blanch the spinach leaves. The spinach leaves will take about 3 to 4 minutes to get blanched. The vegetables are cooking well. The vegetables will take about 5 minutes to get cooked. Let's heat 2 tablespoons of oil and let's add some cumin seeds. Once the oil is hot enough, let's add the cumin seeds and then let us add the dry masala. We are also adding 2 split red chilies. Now let's add the dry masala that we have powdered. Roast them well in oil. Add a pinch of turmeric powder. Grind the spinach leaves into a fine paste after it's cooled down and add it to the masala as well. The green spinach paste will go into the masala now. This gives the green color for the gravy. You can also add a bunch of coriander leaves or pudina leaves if you have the greens with you. Add a little bit of water to adjust the consistency of the gravy. Now let's add a chopped tomato. Don't forget to add enough salt. The gravy looks very good. It's quite healthy as well. Now let's add the steamed vegetables to the gravy. The vegetables are cooked well. And now let's add it to the spinach gravy and let's cook it for another 5 minutes. You can also add Kashmiri red chili powder and some dried fenugreek leaves for added taste. The gravy is boiling well. Now it's time to turn off and transfer to another bowl. This goes very well with roti or naan. Do try out this recipe. Did you see the video? I hope you liked it. Please do try out this recipe and let me know. I'll see you soon in the next cooking video. Namaskaram to all of you.